Hello students, today we'll learn how to attend online classes. Let's see. The spread of coronavirus is a difficult situation to deal with, but you can still care of your learning and keep up with the classes. Hello my dear students. We are going to have a wonderful session this year as long as everyone follows the simple rules. So today we are going to see a presentation on how a student should attend online classes. Let's get started. Tip number 1, we must have the right learning environment. It is preferable so that you can leave unfinished work there and it won't be disturbed by siblings or pets and you can restart from where you stopped. It boosts your productivity. Your study space can be a corner of a room, a dining table, or a chair in balcony. You just have to get creative with the space you have. It helps you to focus. Tip number 2, dress up properly for the class, which is very important. Get up at the same time each day, take a shower, get dressed, have breakfast, and then go to class. It may seem silly at first, but it will make a big difference to your attitude, motivation, and productivity. Tip number 3, make sure to keep all your essentials such as laptop, mobile, headphones, and pens, books, water bottle near you so that you are not running around in the middle of the lecture. Number 4, make sure that right software is downloaded in your device and there's high speed internet access and your devices are fully charged up because so that you don't miss an important class due to any of these reasons. Tip number 5, join your class a few minutes earlier so that you can make sure that your audio and video are working properly. Always log into classes regularly. This is the most powerful way to achieve success both in school and in life. Tip number 6, keep yourself muted when you don't have to speak anything. Don't post inappropriate or irrelevant message in groups or chat boxes. When you are attending online class, avoid browsing internet and checking social media apps. They are distractions. Don't eat during a class. Make sure that there should be a wall behind your display video, which is very important in online classes to avoid any awkward situation. Number 7, take notes in online classes. It helps engage your mind with the material by putting it in your words. It boosts both your understanding of the subject and retaining what is taught. Tip number 8, check regularly your teacher's messages. With online classes, it's important to religiously check your email and messages from your teacher. This way, you will learn about any changes to deadlines and updates for study resources. There may be a message portal where all updates are shared. Make sure to keep checking that as well. Tip number 9, position the monitor at least 20 inches, that is about 51 centimeter from your eyes, about an arm's length. Don't hold a mobile in hand, keep it on a table during an online class. Now comes some eye yoga and exercises. First exercise, up and down, round and round, in which include eye shifters, up and down, round and round. In eye shifters, we move our eyes from left to right about 20 times. In up and down, we move our eyes up and down about 20 times. In round and round, we move our eyes in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction about 10 times. Secondly, we can also do this exercise of blinking our eyes rapidly. May we have a blissful, magnificent, awesome, cheerful, and rocking year ahead.